what's going guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna have a little Q&A. Do want to say first that I'm very sorry for not being active in the channel these past 2 to 3 weeks. Been very busy lately. Work, school, a lot of things I have to deal with, but we're back. Might be some changes. One of the main changes that we're gonna have in this channel is only have one upload per week just for now. It's not gonna be permanent, but for during the time that I'm gonna be in college, because I'm actually graduating this May. So I'm really excited for that. I want to make sure I'm focused and get done with my classes efficiently and less stressful on my side. Another thing is that the weather here in Arizona has been a little tough to work with. Either raining here, windy, cold, to a point like freezing, and there is some points in time that it's like really hot out of nowhere. So Arizona weather is very weird right now, but it's getting better. Springtime is coming and I'm very excited to do some spring fishing for you guys. Now with all this said, I'm gonna start the Q&A. So I have all the questions on the side over here, so I'll be looking over there a lot, don't mind me. First question is from my girlfriend. She says, what is your goals for 2023? My goals for this year is to, 1, make more videos for you guys, be more entertaining, try new things in the YouTube scenes. I do want to gain 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. It would mean so much to me. The thing that I really want to do is create merch for you guys. Something that I've always dreamed of actually when I was little. Trying to make something new that someone can enjoy wearing. I don't know. I always thought that was a good idea. And I see other YouTubers with their own merch stores and it's pretty cool. Pretty cool in my opinion. Another goal of mine is I want to travel more often. I want to get out there in the snow, in the summer, dunes, or anywhere that has a lot of water and like a lot of sand. So like just such as Wickenburg. Wickenburg's perfect for the summer. So for sure you're gonna see me go over there with some friends. Next question is from my friend Jan. What's your favorite snack? My favorite snack is Gushers and the Mott's gummies, like the fruit snacks thing. Pretty good. I can't really have too much candy because it's not good for you, and I got braces, so I want to mess them up. Next question is from Lily. She says, would you give us, in parentheses, your mom and I, your blessing so we can wed? What the My friends are freaking trolls. Oh my god. Never. That's my answer. Never. I'm not gonna give you my blessings. Next question. It's not really a question, but I guess it's a statement. It says from Ariana. You're still a big loser. I know. And then they just ended it with just playing. Damn. Anyways, we have a question from Stephanie. It says, future goals. My future goals, like for the long run, is hopefully pay off my truck soon and get a house or build my house. That would be like the biggest accomplishment I would ever have done. I do want to get a quad this year in the summer. That'll be fun. So that is a future goal. Maybe if it does not happen this year, maybe next year. I'm gonna try my best to make that happen this year. But that's all the questions from you guys. I have some questions written for myself on the side. I'll end with those. So a question that I have for myself is, where have I been? I've been just focusing and working hard, get my schoolwork done, and maintain my job. Nothing, especially this year, nothing's cheap. So I do gotta work hard for what I have and to be able to maintain myself and continue with this YouTube stuff. And being able to pay for my truck, because it's not fun to pay. What will my YouTube channel look like in a year? My personal thoughts on this is that maybe in a year I'll finally have 1,000 subscribers, around probably, we'll say 80,000 views. We'll say that, because right now I'm sitting around like 20,000 last time I checked on views, but we'll see if we end up reaching 80,000 in total and a little bit more than 1,000 subs. Hopefully by then I'm also monetized, because YouTube videos are not cheap and they cost a lot to make. Will I ever have a giveaway? I would love to make a giveaway for you guys. It's probably something I want to make when I hit 1,000 subscribers to have a lot of people who have a chance on winning this giveaway. Really excited for that. For sure, if I do this giveaway, no one's gonna have to pay anything. Just simply be subscribed. Are you gonna do anything new to your truck? I am thinking about putting a roof rack or bed rack as well by the end of this year. Have a roof rack and a bed rack. And And I do want to put like a new exhaust system, so I'm conflicted. I don't know what to put on first. I also want to put a front metal bumper, but like not too exaggerated with the winch, but it's a lot of money at the same time. So I might have a poll for you guys later on this year to see what I get next for my truck. Really excited for that. My truck has been through a lot and has changed in its looks. How long do I plan to continue YouTube? Honestly, I love it. I love doing YouTube for fun, and I feel like I would do it until maybe in my 40s. I don't know, I'm just 19 right now, but we'll see if I stay around until like my 40s for YouTube. That'll be interesting. And if that does happen and I look back to this video, I'm gonna be mind blown. Another question I have for myself is, will I make different videos that are not about the outdoors? I like doing outdoor videos a lot, but I do want to get into like either gaming, live streaming and stuff. I don't know, I could include like live streams in like Fridays, like playing games, just hanging out with you guys on the live. That'll be cool. I don't know if I want to do that in a different channel or in this channel. I could start off with this channel, so that'll be fun. That'll be fun to try out new things. I would love that. My final question for myself is, in 10 years, how will the channel look like? 10 years is a long time and a lot can happen. I could either be dead, or maybe YouTube just goes down for me, or maybe I succeed, who knows. But I think in 10 years, I'll have around, I'm gonna say a crazy number, we'll say 2 million subscribers. We'll say 2 million, we'll say 2 million. Sounds reasonable. That'd just be crazy if I end up being right. That is really what I have for this Q&A. This is my first time making like a Q&A, so I think I'm doing right. One more thing before we're done with this video. I did wanted to tell you guys that I finally partnered with Shine Armor, and I have the package right here. My address is on the other side. Do not want you guys to pull up on me. I'm gonna do an unboxing and then show you guys the product in another video. I'm pretty excited. I do have a discount code for you guys. It's OAZ20, so you can get 20% off on your orders, which adds up a lot. If you guys like saving money like me, for sure use my code. I'll have my link down in the description below. Well, that's all of what I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. And comment down below what videos I should make next. I'm open to anything. I love trying new things. Really looking forward to that. I hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.